The manual hand planer, these wood smoothers that run on muscle power. Most handheld wood planers are similar in shape but come in various sizes and types, and each type performs slightly. Whether shaving down a wood door that's sticking or smoothing the surface of a wavy board, no tool works quite as well as a hand planer tool. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best manual hand planers you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. WEN6536 Amp Electric Hand Planer. The WEN6536 Amp Electric Hand Planer has a long-term quality built with a parallel fence bracket and a 6-amp motor. The planer does not skimp on fundamentals. This power planer's 6-amp motor delivers over 34,000 cuts per minute to your workpiece, slicing away any irregularities until the surface of your boards is aligned and smooth. Perfect for fixing stubborn doors and fitting wood. You'll have the perfect companion for fitting and squaring boards with a cutting width of 3 to 1 4 inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1 8 inches. The 16 positive stops increase in increments of 1 and 128 inches, anywhere from 0 up to 1 and 8 inches. The included rabbiting guide adjusts from 0 to 7 and 10 inches to allow for rabbits up to an inch deep in size. The parallel fence provides an accurate and straight cut by ensuring your strokes are directly parallel to the wood's edge. Number 6. Stanley 1-12-137-62 Low Angle Sweetheart Jack Plane. The Stanley 1-12-137-62 Low Angle Sweetheart Jack Plane is typically more significant than a standard Benz, which measures 15 to 4 and 5 inches long and 6 to 7 and 10 inches wide. It's made from iron castings, weighs a beefy 6+ pounds, and features 2 handles for controlled planing. It features a one-piece shoe and frog unit constructed from ductile cast iron milled to a tolerance of 0.003. The low-angle, one-piece base helps it glide over rough wood. Its thick steel blade improves edge retention and reduces chatter. It also features a 25-degree blade angle for less tear-out when working with highly figured wood. This gives a quality finish to wood with many natural markings and patterns. This Stanley Sweetheart is a reliable, high-quality tool that fits comfortably in your hand, and even the finish is beautiful, making the humble plane heirloom-worthy. Number 5. BOSCH PL2632K3 2¼ inch Woodworking Hand Planer. The BOSCH PL2632K3 2¼ inch Woodworking Hand Planer. When it comes to electric planers, they are well-rounded as the BOSCH hand planer. With aluminum front and rear, shoes are precision machined together for accuracy, and the tool has a machined groove for chamfering and sanding. With a 6.5 amp motor capable of up to 16,500 RPM, this tool can smoothly and quickly shape or shave down any wood. The dual mount fence provides non-flexing guidance, preventing door or workpiece face marring. Features a spring-loaded stand to elevate the tool and protect the blade and tool resting spot. It is a PL2632K thickness planer with a unique shape allowing easy entry into the workpiece's middle. The planer has several added features, including an attachable wood shavings bag, a guide fence mounted on either side of the device, and a carrying case for easy portability and storage. Number 4. Stanley Hand Tools 12-100 and 1-3.5. Small Trimming Plane. The Stanley Hand Tools 12-100 and 1-3.5. Small trimming plane that can shave away uneven wood in tight spots where a larger plane won't fit. This block-type plane is made from steel, and its high-quality blade adjusts with a thumb knob or removed for hand sharpening when necessary. This mini but durable hand plane delivers clean cuts for sculpting wood and modeling or for other types of light woodworking. The Stanley 3-1x2 inch plane is a durable, solid tool that seemed built to last, although the overall finish is generic. Those who do a lot of planning may appreciate having this small, lightweight model around. It fits easily in hand to create a chamfered edge, yet it can also tackle planning a shoulder, This plane required frequent readjusting during use to ensure that it won't give a glass-like finish on a workpiece. It's an ideal choice for finishing joinery. Number 3. Makita XPK02Z. The Makita XPK02Z 18V LXD lithium-ion brushless cordless 3¼ planer is an incredibly high-quality option at its simplest. With a 2-blade cutter head equipped with double-edged carbide blades, the planer is built for high performance that's still smooth in your hands and on the wood. The device is built with several additional technological features, an automatic speed changer that adjusts as you work. The blade setting system is engineered with an electric brake for maximum productivity. The Makita 18V LXD batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. As well as a Bluetooth feature that syncs the shop vac like dust collector with the planer, so the collector is always on when the planer is in use. This increases productivity on a single charge and reduces continuous noise or work site. Number 2. DEWALT D26676. The DEWALT D26676 has a powerful 5.5 amp motor that provides a smooth, even finish in the hardest of woods. It produces 34,000 cuts per minute to achieve a fast removal rate. Includes industry-standard large, resharpenable high-speed steel blades for straight edging or framing applications. It also accepts reversible carbide blades for improved blade life and material finish. It has a depth adjustment knob and can be calibrated to 1/16 inch, 1.5 millimeters approximately. Precision machined front and back aluminum shoes ensure parallelism of cut. A built-in kickstand allows user to rest the planer on work surface without gouging the material. It also has a precision machined groove in front shoe that allows for edge chamfering. The Poly V drive belt provides increased belt durability. The ergonomically designed handle provides greater comfort and less user fatigue. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN CMEW300. The CRAFTSMAN CMEW300 provides you with all you need for most woodworking projects at an affordable price. At around 7 pounds, the device is also lightweight and easily maneuverable for added control. The planer comes with 10 adjustable depth settings and a 6-amp motor for a quality mix of power and precision. This hand planer for woodworking has a dual-side dust extractor that allows the flexibility to place the dust extraction on either side of the tool to keep the work area clean. The overmold depth knob offers 10 positive steps which allow for better planer control and multiple depth control settings, along with 3 chamfering grooves for options on edge chamfering. An 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides added control and better finish quality. Plus, the 5/64-inch depth of cut removes excess material in less time. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.